Okay, so I think I left off with there are a couple of things. I think I need to reroute the vent system, because that's my riser. This is the riser, and that's a 1-2 inch. Okay, so wow, this is going to be okay. So okay, I see. So I was doing these vents. So let's continue, because there's so many things going on right now with this layout and how to let's see. Okay, let's go to the section view and let's look at this guy. Okay, so I think I'm here, and let's just go here, make sure everything is cool over here. That's a vent system. Okay, let's go back to the waste. I think I can pick this up here. Let's go 11 and 45. Okay, that looks good. Next is the okay, so the next is going to be the water closet. This is going to be the tough one. I think because if I okay. Section, what is this? Section 2? Section, let's go to that section. Go out some more. I don't know exactly where this is. Well, I have an idea where it is, but let's take a good look. Here, section. Okay, so we're here. So what I was looking at was this fitting, because I know the vent is above it, because I want to offset this pipe. Let's look at this. Wire, medium. So this is the AutoCAD, or the plot, how it's going to look plotted. And if I 45, see, that's the problem. Well, let's go all the way up here and go here. Was it okay? Let's change that to a 3 inch, because I want to. Okay, draw a pipe. Let's go 3 and all the way over. I think that might work, because I want to get this vent up to this 3 inch vent. The water closet vent up to, yeah, I think that might work. Let's I don't know, I like to see the colors. Okay, so let's go back to the section. We're here. Okay, let's draw this pipe, make sure that everything is good. Vent. I'm gonna go here and then go back to the floor plan and make this guy active. change my elevation to 11 and connect into that guy. Okay. So, and these vents, oh, wait a minute. Let's do the, yeah, okay. I think that that might work. I think that that might work. Hold up. You know, I can get it from here. Is this my vent? See. Yeah. Okay. So we can do vent here. And let's go back 1.5, that's good. 11. Or do I collect? No. I don't know. I guess I could, let's see. 11. It's fine. Just don't see the connection here. There it is. Okay. And now I think I can just go from my vent here up to, it should connect. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this section. And we are over here. Yeah, I like that. I guess it could be done a different way, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's do this. 2 inches. Okay, I think I can take that all the way down. I'm gonna take that all the way down to about right here. Yeah. And then change that to a 3-inch. And connect here. And everything else should, let's go to the section. Edit type. It should, yeah, I think it's okay. Let's go here and modify, extend. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Do I have enough room? All right. Okay, let's go waste. And let's look at the AutoCAD or the plot file, right? Plot, okay, that looks good. And the vent, oh, I see what's going on. Now, what I need to do is align one pipe with the other. Wow, is that enough room? Because that's a 3-inch. Okay, that's a 3-inch. Let's go back. Let's go back to this guy and go here. Because when you drag the pipe where it's going to be parallel, or I don't know what that angle is. Is it parallel or perpendicular? It's not perpendicular. I'm going to say as you approach the riser, it will give you an alignment like that. You see? That's what I want. And I want to see if I can make this turn. Can I make this turn? Man. Wait, what size is this? 2-inch. So we need to change that to a 3-inch. Where's that coming from? Yeah, we're gonna change this. Let's do this. Rotate 90. Let's rotate that 90. Let's look at the riser because I want to change the size of it. You got pretty tall there, huh? Okay, well, it's way up here. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Okay, so let's do this. And let's go back. Make sure we go to 3. Let's go to 3. Somewhere. Level 2. Okay. I think I'm just gonna turn this and see. You know what? I think I can come down some. There's some room in here. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's over the waste pipe. That's okay. That's okay. They can figure it out. Now go here. And here. And section. Yep. That looks good. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, that's starting to take shape, huh? What's that? Okay. Now, what I can do is bring this over, change this, well, come down and reduce it down to a 2-inch. Okay, align this guy with that guy and drag for the connection. Yeah. Now let's see if we are looking, if we have our fixture units. Fixture units. Yeah, 68. And fixture units for the waist is 68. Okay, so, well, that was easy. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Okay. I'm going to leave it there. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later.